Welcome back to my channel. This video is long overdue. Everybody has been requesting me to do this video on how I did the roots on a video maybe like 2 months ago now. Sorry for the late issue. I literally just finished school today and I'm giving y'all what y'all been asking for. Y'all prayers have been answered. Here is the video on the roots of that blonde hair. Alright, now I am putting the dye on the roots. The dye is going to get darker as it begins to set on the hair. I'm pretty much just parting the hair into sections and just dipping and dabbing on the front and the back of the hair. So I'm not doing like the back of the hair, I'm just only doing the frontal part. And let me not forget, this hair is from my personal favorite, Dora Beauty. That's where this hair is from. I always use them. I like their lace. The hairline's good. The hair is good. So pretty much that's all I'm going to keep doing is sectioning and putting the dye on it.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Now this is how I tone the hair. I use the Perfect for Platinum. I do not use a lot because I don't want the hair super white. So I use literally this amount you see right here. And then I use another conditioner. It's a hair mask. It's brought out by the same company. And I just put that on there and let it set for 2 minutes. See, right now I'm just working it in, making sure everything has gotten in there. I put a little bit more of the purple conditioner. This conditioner is expensive. On some sites it's not, so I'll put a link below to the inexpensive kind. But yes, so I'm gonna work this in, let it set for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Here we go. Here's the hair while it's wet. I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit so to have a little bit of wave, a little bit of dryness. But I'm gonna pin the hair back down to the wig. As y'all see, to be honest, this color honestly gives me Beyonce Drunk in Love. Like, it really does. And I'm sure y'all like, damn, like, oh my gosh, she used box dye for the roots. That's literally all I use because I don't feel like I should have to go get some Wella. If I can get some box dye, do the same thing. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe below. Please go watch my last video that I uploaded. I will insert a clip next.